Hello, crypto enthusiasts. So, Beamable Airdrop just introduced the Connect Your Solana Wallet feature, which you can see right here. Okay, so what we're meant to do today is to connect our Solana wallet. Okay, so you're meant to connect your Solana wallet, and this is the button right here. If you already joined Beamable but tried to log in and saw this, you don't need to worry, because in today's video I'm going to show you how to get this done real quick. Okay, how to log back into your account. Okay, so how do you really connect your wallet? If I click on this right now, it's going to ask you to select two options, which is the MetaMask and the Trust Wallet. If I select all wallets and search for Phantom Wallet right here, you're going to see Phantom right here, and if I click on it right now, it says adapter not found. Okay, so if you're willing to connect this to your Phantom Wallet, what you're meant to do is to head over to Phantom Wallet. Of course, you can find that on Google Play Store, but if you wish to do this with your MetaMask or Trust Wallet, then you are also free to do so. But I want to do it with Phantom Wallet, so I'm just going to go with the Phantom Wallet option. And just like I said before, you can get the Phantom Wallet on Play Store. Just come over to the search bar and search for Phantom Wallet. Okay, and you will get to see this right here. So mine needs an update. I'm going to update this real quick. In your case, you would be downloading this. All right, and yes, the update is completed, so just give it a few moments to install. So once it's done installing, just go ahead and click on open. Okay, follow me as I explain this to you step by step. I'm going to open this with my fingerprints. And once you log into your Phantom Wallet account, what you just have to do right now is to come over to this search button right here on the far right. Just click on it, and this will lead you to this very page. Now what you're meant to do is to click on this search bar right here, which says sites, tokens, or URL. Now if you head over to your browser right here, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video for those who haven't joined Beamable Network. Now if you haven't joined Beamable Network, I'm going to tell you this airdrop is not something you should joke with. Okay, this is not a mining app, this is not Telegram airdrop, this is something you do on your web browser, but something you should take serious. Now from what I've discovered, they don't reward you for a number of invites you have. This airdrop is solely based on your participation in the network, your contribution to the network, tasks you complete, okay, and points you have earned. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video if you haven't joined, so you join that. Now if you have already joined but confused on what to do, so connect your Solana wallet, just come over to the top right here, click on your browser URL, and then come over here and click on this copy icon and copy the URL of this very site right now. Then head over to Phantom Wallet, which is this. Okay, now from your home screen, click on that search bar like I told you before, and then come over to this top, which I just mentioned earlier, and then paste in that URL right there and click on search. Okay, now this is going to lead you to the Beamable site. Now if you paste that URL here, this is what you're going to see. If I click on this URL bar right here at the top and just click on it, so you can see what it says, you notice that this right here says login. Okay, onboarding/login, unlike before which says onboarding/steps. Okay, but right now it says login. Now once you see this very URL onboarding/login, then you know that you are good to go. I'm just going to hit the search bar right now, and what we're going to do right now is to paste in our email. Okay, if this is your first time signing up, you can paste in an email of your choice right here. If you already signed up before, still paste in the same email you used for your sign up. Okay, so I'm just going to paste that very email right here, and then click on verify email. Now it says thank you, check your email for a verification link. I'm going to click on this tab at the top right here. Okay, and open up my email. Make sure you have logged into your email right here on Phantom Wallet. Make sure it is in Phantom Wallet and not your Gmail or Chrome browser. Okay, make sure you're logging into your email on your Phantom Wallet, and to access your email you just have to type in gmail.com if you're using Gmail email. Okay, now this is the link I'm meant to click on right here. I'm just going to click on Beamable right here and click on secure link, and this is going to refresh right here in our Phantom Wallet. Okay, and you can now see that we are now asked to connect our wallet address right here. Now after connecting this wallet address, you would automatically be signed into your account. So we're going to click on connect wallet right now, And of course, you can see Phantom is installed. We're just going to go ahead and click on Phantom right here, and you can see connect. We're just going to click on connect, and automatically you can see wallet is connected, right? Your wallet has successfully connected. You can now go ahead and click on sign, right, and click confirm, and we'll be logged in into our account immediately. Okay, so we're back to our account right now, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on this menu icon right here so you can see for yourself. Okay, so the moment you click on the hamburger icon, you can see all the functions are back and we are good to go. I just have about 10,000 points right here with 14 invites. Now, from what I noticed, they don't really reward you for your invites, but you tend to earn points from the tasks you complete. Now, if you're joining Beamable for the first time, the first thing you need to do is to come to the start bar. If you click on this start bar, you're going to see a couple of tasks you're meant to complete. Of course, one of them is joining X, which is this. Okay, make sure you join X because this is what will guarantee you get the airdrop. The X account you link to this is what they are going to look up, I believe, and reward you for this. Okay, so if you don't connect an X account to this, which is Twitter, you won't be able to perform a whole lot of tasks that are going to be introducing right here. Connect your X account and claim this. Unlock the hub and claim that, and after that you come over to the endpoints, right? Come over to the endpoint right here, and you see the dailies and the quest. Make sure you complete the quest, which is where you find more tags. Okay, the quest has more tags, majorly Twitter tags. You can see them here, a lot of tags. I haven't done a lot of tags, but I believe by the time I'm done doing most of these tags, I'll be able to rake up points. Now, if you come to the dailies is just like a daily login, daily check-in. Okay, make sure you check in daily. I missed about 2 days now, and I'm just going to claim this for today, right? Click on claim, and I've claimed for today. It's just 2 days left. Okay, I'm going to make sure I perform all those tasks before 2 days expire. So with this, if you come back to the Beamable site on your Chrome browser, you will notice that you will now be able to log in. Okay, and the whole functions are also available. So this is basically it on the Beamable network. If you click on back right now, you can see that everything is good, everything is set, and there is no option to correct the Solana wallet you're meant to use. So if you happen to select a Solana wallet and you don't really like it, before you click that sign message, make sure you change the Solana wallet before you click it, because if you do click the sign in message, you won't be able to change that anymore. Okay, so this is basically it, guys. Whatever Solana wallet you pick, this is where the tokens are going to be sent to. So these are the two sections you earn points from on the Beamable network: the start and the end points. This is where you basically earn the points that I believe will be converted into the airdrop tokens. So do this right now so that you'll be one of those who will be able to claim this very airdrop. If there is something you don't understand in this video, you might want to watch the video again so you get to understand it better. But if you don't watch the video again and you don't get it, you can leave your question in the comments section and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. Now, if this is your first time stopping by, then make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on to all. By so doing, you get to be updated whenever I drop any new video about Beamable network. Also, like and share this video to create awareness. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.